today we are making a very easy beginner friendly hair accessory. So the material we need for this project are grab a bangle at a time, then make a slip knot of yarn and attach to the bangle. Attach the slip knot to the bangle, then make single crochets. So we are going to make the single crochets in multiple of 4. I have made 56 single crochets. Finish the round with a slip stitch. Now cut the yarn and hide it also. Now take another color of yarn. I used white color. Then make a slip knot. Insert your hook in any stitch, then grab the white yarn by the hook and make a slip stitch. Then we are going to skip the first stitch and do the 5 double crochet into the next. After completing the 5 double crochets, we are going to skip first, then do a slip stitch into the next. Chain 1 and repeat the pattern. Skip the first, then do 5 double crochet into the next. And we are going to do 5 double crochet into the same stitch. Complete the 5 double crochet, then skip 1 chain and do 1 slip stitch into the next, and chain 1 and repeat the pattern till we reach to the end. This is the last petal. Complete the 5 double crochet, then do a slip stitch into the first one we have done before. Now in the end, I'm going to congratulate everybody. We have made a very nice, very cute, very easy hair accessory. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel and comment section में heart बनाना ना भूलें. तब तक के लिए bye bye.